Question number 7. This question is of differentiation. The equation of the curve is 3x square plus 4xy plus 3y square is equal to 5. This is the equation of the curve. Show that dy over dx is equal to 3x plus 2y minus 3x plus 2y over 2x plus 3y minus 3x plus 2y over 2x plus 3y. So this function is an implicit function because we are unable to make y the subject. We cannot make y the subject. So this is an implicit function. Such functions in which we are unable to make y the subject, the functions are called implicit functions. So from such functions, how we will find dy over dx from such functions? First we write the equation, that is 3x square plus 4xy plus 3y square is equal to 5. Now we will differentiate each side with respect to x. We will differentiate this equation each side by we will differentiate with respect to x each side. The first differentiation of 3x square is simply 6x. 6x. Now to differentiate the second term 4xy, we will use here the product rule. Product rule for taking common differentiation of xy. This is product rule. First function is x, second is y. We are using here product rule. X will be as such. Differentiation of y with respect to x, that is dy over dx, plus y remains as such, and differentiation of x is 1. So we are writing here 1. Now third term is 3y square. Differentiating this with respect to x, this will become 6y 6y dy over dx, because we are differentiating with respect to x. On the right hand side term is constant, so differentiation is 0. From here, first we simplify it. 6x plus 4x dy over dx plus 4y plus 6y dy over dx is equal to 0. Now we are taking common dy over dx from these two terms. The remaining terms we will move to right side. Dy over dx common, within bracket 4x plus 6y. The remaining terms move to right side. Sign change. Now from here we can find dy over dx. This factor will move to right in the denominator. So minus 6x minus 4y divided by 4x plus 6y. Now we can take common minus 2 from the numerator and denominator. 3x plus 2y, 2x plus 3y, cancel out. Finally we get dy over dx is equal to minus 3x plus 2y over 2x plus 3y. This is shown. We have to show that dy by dx is equal to this, or clearly we have shown. Next part of this question is part B. Hence find the exact coordinates of 2 points on the curve at which the tangent is parallel to this equation. Tangent is parallel to this equation, y plus 2x is equal to 0. So gradient of tangent and the gradient of this line will be equal because the tangent is parallel to this equation. So gradient will be equal. So from here, this equation y plus 2x is equal to 0. Clearly the gradient is negative 2. First we write the equation y plus 2x is equal to 0. We can write it as y is equal to minus 2x, or clearly this is the gradient minus 2. And the gradient of tangent is we have already found dy over dx. Actually this is the gradient expression of the tangent. So we can equate the gradient of the tangent and the gradient of this equation. So we can write minus 3x plus 2y over 2x plus 3y is equal to negative 2. Cancellation of negative signs. Simplifying, we get by cross multiplying 3x plus 2y is equal to 2 into 2x plus 3y. Further simplifying, 3x plus 2y is equal to 4x plus 6y. Collecting the like terms, uh, 3x minus 4x minus x is equal to 6y minus 2y, that is 4y. From here y is equal to minus x over y is equal to minus x over 4. Now putting this value of y in the original equation, in this equation, the equation of the curve, we are putting this value, we can find the uh, coordinate of the points by using by simultaneously solving y is equal to minus x over 4 and the equation of the curve. We get equation of the curve is 3x square plus 4xy plus 3y square is equal to 5. Putting this value of y in this equation, we get 3x square plus 4x into minus x over 4 plus 3 into y square means minus x over square, that is x square over 16 is equal to 5. Now further simplifying, 3x square minus x square plus 3x square over 16 is equal to 5. This becomes 2x square plus 3x square over 16 is equal to 5. Now taking LCM process, 16 2s are 32, 32x square plus 3x square, that is 35x square. So this becomes 35x square over 16 is equal to 5. From here, x square is equal to 80 over 35. So now we are taking square root of each side. We get two values of x. Taking square root of this equation on both sides, we get x is equal to plus minus 4 over 7 under root. This means that we get two values of x. X is equal to positive 4 over 7 under root, or x is equal to negative 4 over 7 under root. Now putting this value of x, both values of x in this equation, we get two values of y. When we put in this equation x is equal to 4 over uh, x is equal to 4 over 7 root, this we get the value of y. Since y is equal to it is given uh, y is equal to negative x over 4. Now putting here the value of x, we get value of y will be minus 1 over 7 under root. So point will be x coordinate is 4 over 7 under root and y coordinate is minus 1 over 7 under root. This is the point. The other point we will find by putting this value in the same equation, y is equal to minus x over 4. We get the value of y from here is equal to 8 over 7 under root. So other point will be uh, minus 4 over 7 under root and 1 over 7 under root. This is the other point. So these are the 2 points. These are the answers.